Hey, I'm Nathan Schuett, CEO of Prenav. We're a startup here in Silicon Valley that's using commercial drones to inspect cell towers. So this is one of our prototype systems right now. It's a multi-rotor, 8 propellers, 8 motors, and a very high-resolution camera on the front of it. And what we do with this is we fly the drone all around the tower, actually in close proximity to the tower, to capture imagery of the antennas, nuts, bolts, labels on the back of antennas, height above ground, azimuth tilt, all of the components that are needed for a pre-construction, a post-construction audit, or a tower mapping. This is the system. It's pretty good size. That makes it more robust in the wind and also allows it to carry around a pretty heavy camera. What I wanted to do was just describe a little bit more about how the system works. Flying in close proximity to something like a cell phone tower or a wind turbine or a smokestack, these tall vertical structures, is pretty challenging because GPS is not accurate enough to control the drone. So what we've built is our own navigation system, and that consists of a laser scanning system that's on the ground that's tracking the drone. So what we have is a line of sight technology that will guide the drone in close proximity to your cell phone tower. And what we're able to do with this configuration is we use the laser scanner actually to build a 3D model of the environment before we fly. So this gives us a map, and it tells us where the structure is that we want to inspect and where any obstacles are. If there are trees in the environment, or perhaps there's guy wires, these are all things that we can scan in advance and be able to design a flight path that avoids them. So a normal flight path for something like this might be that we have the drone go up here and fly all around the tower, capture photos from every angle imaginable. Then all of those photos get uploaded to the cloud. At Prenav, we've built an image processing engine that will assemble all of those photos, build a very accurate 3D reconstruction, and allow engineering firms, carriers, or tower owners to really see a digitized version of these assets. And with how often they're being upgraded, the equipment is constantly changing and becomes out of date very quickly. Having a simple, efficient, safe way to capture this imagery is crucial. And we're building the precision navigation system using commercial drones that makes it possible. So again, I'm Nathan Schuett, CEO of Prenav. Love to get in touch with you if this solution sounds like something you'd be interested in. Thank you.
And how will it help tower climbers to do their jobs more efficiently?
Sure. So traditionally, these inspections are done by climbers on ropes it's actually a very dangerous job. And what we're planning to do is to sell this equipment to those very same climbing firms and engineering firms so that they can capture this imagery from the ground. And the benefit of our system is that the navigation is all automated. So you don't have to have trained to be an RC pilot for hundreds or thousands of hours. You can use our laser scanner plus the drone, and we're making the technology accessible to people who are already doing this work today.